What's up, everybody? Today, we're talking about candy. My name is Shane, and this is It's Your Kitchen. Welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to make some cowboy candy. We're going to use some jalapenos, which is what is usually in it. But you can use any kind of pepper you want. I'm going to add some shishito peppers as well. Let's get down into this recipe and get started on this. So the first thing we're going to do is chop up these peppers. I'm going to wear a glove. Trust me, it's a good idea. You want about a half pound of peppers, guys. It's up to you if you want to take the seeds out or not. I'm going to leave them in. We're going to chop these about 1/8 of an inch big. You got a mandolin? Grab that bad boy out and go at it. There we go, guys, all chopped up. Let's get to the candy part. All right, so only need a few ingredients to get this going, guys. All right, so we're going to turn our stove up. We're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Oh, I'll just throw it everywhere, I guess. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. We are going to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. No, I lied. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I should look at my notes better, huh? We're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Smoked paprika is what I like to use. And then 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. What we're going to do is bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to bring our heat down and let it get all nice and a good consistency like syrup. Why don't you come in here and we'll get down to it. Now, guys, while you're doing this, you don't want your heat too awfully high because you don't want to burn the sugar. It will ruin the taste. So you want to keep stirring a little bit periodically until we get this up to a boil. All right, guys, there's our boil. We reduce the heat down. We want to let this go for 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 4. What we're trying to do is get a nice, thick, syrupy consistency. Okay? All right, guys. Here is our syrupy consistency that we were looking for. So the next step, we're going to add in the peppers. And we lost one. And we're going to stir these up. Make sure all of them get nice and coated. Might have a few too many peppers in here, but that's all right. That just means more candy for me. All right, now we're gonna let these simmer in that. Bring the heat up just a little bit because it cooled down from throwing the peppers in there. We're gonna let it simmer in there for about 4 minutes once it comes back up to simmering, and then it'll be time to can. Okay, so these are done simmering. It smells absolutely amazing in here. I'm really excited about this. So we're going to pull it off our heat. Next thing you're going to need is some canning jars. I pulled 4 out. This recipe should make about 3 of these, okay? And these are 8-ounce jars. So what we're going to do, we want to make sure these are all clean and sanitized before we start. Now guys, I'm going to do the fridge method on this. It stays in the in the fridge for 3 months. It'll be good. If you want to can it, you can do that as well. So we're going to start with a slotted spoon. And I'm going to try not to make a mess because I don't have a canning filler yet, because I keep forgetting to buy one. And we're going to fill these jars up to about 1/4 inch from the top. Well, boy, was I wrong. I guess we're only getting 2 jars. I thought I had too many peppers. Maybe I didn't have enough. But that's okay too. You guys make this recipe, let me know if the amount of peppers was right. I didn't weigh mine. I just went out and picked them from the garden, so who knows? I guess I could have got a scale out and weighed them. All right, now that we got all our peppers in here, next we're going to pour this juice over top of them. You only want to go up to about 1/4 inch from the top. I'm doing this on a plate because I don't want to make a mess. And for the next part, we're going to take a wet rag, clean wet rag, wipe the lid off. These are hot. Wipe that rim off. Put a top on each of these. Oh, I lied. We got to try one first. Now guys, you're going to want to put these in your fridge for at least a week before you crack them open. Soaks all that goodness into it. And I've heard 2 weeks is even better. So if you can wait, it's worth it. Oh. Man. I should have been making this a long time ago. That stuff's good. I think I'm going to be addicted to this, and I'm sure you will too. So we're going to put our rings on there, and you're going to want to let them sit on the counter until they're cooled off. Then you can stick them in the fridge. That's it, guys. Pretty easy, huh? Cowboy candy for the refrigerator. This stuff is great on cream cheese and crackers. So if you're looking for a way to eat it, that's a good one there. Throw it on your burgers, throw it on, I mean, the sky's the limit, man. It's your kitchen. You do what you want. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for coming in for the episode today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that jazz, you know. Also, speaking of which, we're coming up on our 500 subscriber giveaway of the knives. I'll be coming out with a video on that very soon on how you can win them. And as always, my name is Shane, and it's your kitchen.